Alright guys, so we get some progress today with our new robot. Today I managed somehow to connect almost all of the cables to almost all of the servos. His head is connected, his whole left arm, the fingers, everything is connected. That what left is only torso and part of that head on the hand. And you see cables are like for now everywhere. You can see my custom controller and some electronics, which I'm going to take it another time. And this robot soon will be insane. This guy will be soon like this one. Oh, wake up, Winnie! Wake up!
Hi, I'm Winnie. Just say my name and command. Destination or task. And I will do that.
Detection on the left side. Danger. Distance is too low.
Eddie.
Please keep half-meter distance for safety.
Okay, Eddie. What do you think? Is the new robot will be nice?
I don't know.
Okay.
What okay? Eddie, what's going on?
Interesting. Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
Eddie, what do you think?
I don't know. Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
Alright.
Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
Okay, so our new robot will be even more
Detection
advanced
on the
than
left side. Danger.
Eddie.
Distance is too low.
Eddie,
Please keep
Give
half-meter
up for now.
distance for safety.
oh,
Step
good.
back.
So we need.
Don't
Keep
touch me.
distance for your safety.
Guys just wanna play. So as soon as possible, we're going to wake up this guy as well.